All right, today I'm going to do a quick little review of this crystal picker-upper tool from Lantern and Wren. And it has a wax tip on one side and a metal tip on the other. And there's various tools you can use to pick up stones and metal studs and glitter and what have you. But this wax tip makes it really convenient to do. And it's really easy to hold in the hand and to see where you're placing things. So it's a pretty useful tool, I think, especially if you like to add embellishments like that to your nail art. So what I am starting with is a base of an old Sally Hansen Salon Nail Lacquer Navy Baby. And I'm going to be stamping with this really pretty Moonflower stamping polish in rose gold. And that's also from Lantern and Wren. And then I'm stamping with this image from Lena Nail Art Supplies Feeling Shapely 08 plate. And I'm using the Lantern and Wren Simply Silver clear stamper with the silver metal body. I have my nail prepped with the Mani Defender to protect it from the stamping. And here we go. Okay, and so just gonna make sure the polish stuck to the latex. All right, and that's ready to go. So I'm going to remove that. So what I'm going to do next is put my little glitter. I put a little into the lid, and I am off camera. I am putting a little drop of clear top coat on my mat, so that I can put a little drop of clear in the center of the dots. Okay, then I'm going to pick up the glitter and I actually picked two up there, which was my problem. And there you go. Really easy peasy with this tool to place glitter, rhinestones, anything you would like. Thanks for watching.